Today, we're tackling a critical issue that I've seen affect even the most experienced executives and CEOs, and that is failing at strategies. Hello again, and welcome back, leaders. Francois Lupien here, failing at strategies. It's something that can silently creep in and sabotage all the progress you've been making so far. Yet, here's the good news. You can fix it, and 2024 can be your breakthrough year, setting the stage for an outstanding 2025. Today, we'll look at what often causes strategic failures and, more importantly, how you can turn that around. What's the three main factors that can derail your strategic direction? The first one is a factor of overconfidence in old methods. That's right, overconfidence in the old methods. When you've achieved success before, it's easy to lean on what worked in the past, thinking it'll still continue working in the future. Yet, the business landscape changes and fast. And what you got here and what got you here won't necessarily get you to where you want to go. Sticking too tightly to old strategies can lead to stagnation, and that's where I often see leaders get stuck. Second, there's lack of clear communication. You might have a brilliant strategy in your mind, but if it's not communicated clearly, your team can't execute it effectively. The vision becomes diluted, and that's when confusion and misalignment happen. This is a huge factor in why strategies often fall short. The third one is fear of change. See, many CEOs I work with admit that they hesitate when it comes to taking bold new steps. There's a real fear of upsetting the status quo, of taking risks that might not pay off the way you want. Yet, here's the thing, bold decisions are often the very thing that lead to massive breakthroughs. See, now, how do we fix this? How do you, as a top executive, regain control of your strategic decisions? Well, first, you need to shift the mindset from what worked in the past will need to work in the future. It's all about adopting future-focused approach. Second, you need to build stronger, clearer communication frameworks within your leadership team. It's not enough to have the vision. You need to articulate it effectively and ensure your entire team understands the big picture. See, when communication is crisp, execution simply follows, and smoothly as that. Finally, overcoming the fear of change requires the one powerful tool that I call confidential conversations. See, many CEOs and business leaders feel isolated in their decision making. They fear being judged for questioning the same strategies that once they championed before. But what if you had a safe place and a safe space to explore those ideas? A place to get fresh insights that are born and test new perspectives. Well, that's why having confidential conversations with someone like me who gets it, someone who can challenge your thinking and pull out the solutions hiding within you, and more importantly, help you to articulate them properly and with impact. This is so crucial. It's easy to stay stuck in stagnation, but breaking free takes courage and fresh insights. Together, we can unlock those ideas that are lying beneath the surface. And once they're out, we can shape them into a strategy that truly works for your business in 2024 and beyond. If this resonates with you, reach out. Let's have a confidential conversation to see if we are a good fit. Hit the like and subscribe button. And let's have a confidential conversation to take your strategy to the next level. Take action and make it a great day.